is February 3rd and today is Monday. My return customer ordered 2 times. So I ordered one of my clay beads. I don't have this one on my shopping. Thank you so much for ordering. I sent it a discount, but right now I'm about to go to Walgreens. Burp, you're not even locked in here. Get out. Get your foot out of there. Oh, you happy to see me. Oh, you thought I brought something back for you? I should have got you some, but hey girl. I'm about to make some food. Before I forget, this is what I got from Walgreens. And I got this. So I'm happy I got this, but I'm not happy about my camera. This is right here. I was setting it up. I was trying to move stuff off my desk, make this video. Because my desk does get messy, so that's why I was trying to move stuff out the way. So I'm by my bed right now, so this is my bed right here. But when I turned my camera on, okay, when it fell like, I think it felt like this. And I picked it up, turned it on. Will shut down automatically, restart camera. I don't know, it's the lens. But it doesn't look like it messed up. I was trying to put it like right here. And then I kept moving stuff and I think I moved it far, all the way right there. So when it falls off my desk, you know, this is hard floor too. So it fell on this thing. So I'm just gonna watch some videos on it. But if you guys know what I should do, let me know. I'm so disappointed. These are other stickers. These are the pink ones. Well, these are the purple ones. A tripod, I'm gonna need a new one because this one is broken. I have to like actually like be close to it like this, so just so it can stay. Try to make it work. I'm done. Yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My package came. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. Yeah. I got some more string. I don't want to run out of string. The string I have is like this string. And since I only have one roll of it, I got some more. Because I can run out at any time. So I got some Hello Kitty silver charms. They just come with like a few of them actually. What I want to do is just take my time with each product that I make because it does take time to even put together. So I don't want to rush when it comes to the launch. I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna run my business, what changes I'm gonna do, but over time, figure it out. That's the whole thing. When you have a business, you're gonna learn as you go. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got some more butterfly charms. I'm gonna turn my lamp on so you guys can see a little bit. I might bring one of my bracelets back that I used to make. But yeah, I'm just really gonna be creative and take my time and not compare myself. Just focus on my own thing. This really goes with my logo and my profile of my channel, but my logo for my business, you know, the butterflies. I think I'm gonna go back to using elastic string. I'm still gonna use my crystal string because when you feel it, it's a little bit different. The elastic string is a little bit more soft or whatever. But yeah, these are the size of my bubble melons. They kind of look like, I don't like how they came though. Why do they look, I don't know. Why are they covered like that? They look kind of wrinkled almost. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Once it gets shipped out to you, the person who ever orders, they're gonna think more about like what's inside. This is just something to keep it so it can be safe when it goes to traveling. Yeah, it's a good size. You can put something in there. Alright guys, that's all I got that I ordered. Finished the bracelets that somebody wanted me to make so they can order them. These are my bracelets I used to have on my shop. If you guys want me to bring back these bracelets where you have pearls and then you can add the hearts on there and then add like a name, let me know if you want me to bring it back. But I'm about to make some vegan stuff. I'm about to go make some, it's like a vegan dessert. I'll take you guys along.
This is a fruit.
Fruit?
Yeah, don't look like a fruit.
I'm making What is this called?
A date. The date bark or something. A date bark.
This a bar.
Yeah, it's a date bark.
It's a bar.
Before you even make it, or before it comes together, you think it's gonna be good?
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be good. It's all no refined sugar in here, and it's all natural. This
Extra stuff. Go for it.
go ahead.
This little Trini over here, my little sister.
Sister.
You know we're sisters.
They're coming all down like that. What's happening here? It's just like sliding all over the place.
Why is doing that? Silly Daisy. Stop it,
Let's see if it turns out like this. Came out. I thought he.
All online. They got people doing the same thing.
But it's good though, cause then you get to see if it's actually gonna come out how you try to.
Mine's
Look, oh, he put it on. He put it on paper towel. You got to put another paper towel with these dates. These
That's
little
what I
dates.
did.
You gotta put you got this on the this board. You gotta have 2 of these parchment papers. You gotta put that on there and then put that on top. And then roll it. No wonder why it's sliding out. Cause you're not taking the right steps. This little sugar. I'm gonna put this on herself. Come on, go.
Okay, I want to see what they. No cashews.
okay. When we
God,
finish. I feel like you last night with your
you gotta have patience.
That's the time we take.
This girl. She said she take
Yeah,
it.
that's not the big one. What's your Jada mode?
Instruction flavor. This video I'm about to make is gonna be like a freebie, so I'm gonna show all my freebies. It's really late right now, so I'm gonna try to hurry up. Easy to slide in. It's easy to slide the stuff in here. The little clear bag, I was able to slide it in there. I feel a little clumsy though right now.
That's called sparkle.
So I'm about to go home, I think. But yeah, I just finished dropping the packages off. Oh my. We just hit 100 sales on my shop. And I've been on live for a little minute. Thank you guys. You guys helped me hit. Oh my. Alright guys. So I'm about to get monetized. I just gotta fill out my info, but I was accepted to be a part of the YouTube partner program. So it says I got an email, and then I opened the YouTube Studio app where I could like see. It's like an app where I could see all my videos and how they're doing. And I opened that app. The first thing I see was that basically I gotta fill out my payment stuff, information, tax info. I'm about to get monetized. I just gotta fill out some, kind of what I did before, but I'm actually like it's about to happen. I got because it got to pay me, so I gotta fill out stuff. The name of my channel, that is so cool. You've been accepted to the YouTube Partner Program to start earning. This is a blessing. I just thank God. To start earning while growing your community and channel, turn on, because I've been wanting to do this for a minute. So this is crazy how it worked out. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. To start earning while growing your community channel, turn on monetization features including channel memberships, super thanks, super chat, super stickers, and select YouTube shopping features and YouTube Studio. We're committed to help you thrive on the platform. Check out these tools to help build deeper connections with your community. Get support from our team. Okay, keep growing your subscribers and views so you can unlock even more benefits in the future beyond what you are eligible for today, including earning from ads. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be able to put ads, the super chat. I gotta like open that up. They're saying membership. I think is like where they can only like see exclusive or certain stuff. I think. Super thanks, super chat, super stickers. So when I go live, you guys can do that. I think I have. It looks like I have to unlock some stuff. It's just crazy. I just wanted to share with you guys because this is an achievement, and it's because of you guys I'm able to do this. Because when I used to have an old channel, I always like to have for the longest, like I always wanted the idea of like this could be my job. Like I can, because I enjoy making videos. I actually really do. Or even taking photo. Sometimes it can be a headache when I'm trying to do the thumbnail because I'm trying to make it look right, and I'm trying to get better at it. But my videos, my live streams are really doing well on my channel. I'm really seeing what does well for me because every person is different for everybody. So that's one thing I keep in mind as I do YouTube. But it's fun, so I am enjoying the process, and it's because of you guys. I just want to say thank you guys for 900 subscribers. We're getting so close to 1K, but it's like I'm so close to it. It's like it's a blessing that it's working out like this. Because it could have been like, I didn't know how it was going to work out. So I just thank God because, if it wasn't for him, my dad was praying over this for me so that I can have this for, this be my job. And I've been wanting this myself. I've been praying over just having this like YouTube thing to be my job because if other people can do it, I don't want to make myself feel like I can't do it. So just for you guys to support me so much on this channel, I just want to shout out to everybody, because your support when you just been here watching my videos, just for me to comment, I do see it, I do back kind of quickly because I do appreciate you guys. I like when you guys talk to me, so it's nice. You probably want me to give you a real walk, huh? You can't go on this grass right here. Go. Just go right here. I know this grass is big, but come on. This girl be sneezing on purpose.
Happy birthday.
The live went pretty well. I did put a sale on my shop, so 25% off sale. I did put a new bracelet on my shop, which was this one. I made this bracelet. I definitely still need to make the Valentine bracelets. Mine's 17, and then I did get an order for this bracelet because I put it. One of you guys wanted me to make it. I asked if you want the charm, so this is like a smaller version. Because if you asked me to make like a smaller bracelet, the smallest one I can do is 15. So that's why I told them that I can only do like 15. Because that's like the smallest one, and it is small. 16 is the one I mainly use for all the bracelets, because it's like a average size. And then I'm gonna be adding some stickers with this order. Is that the package came from Amazon for my paper, for my printer, for my label printer. So I got the label printer paper from Amazon. It shipped today. It said it's arrived already, but I think they mixed it up. They mixed the houses up, so somebody might have it